Hello, my name is Sebastian Campisi, and I'm the service manager here at Highland GM. At Highland, we value our customers, and our commitment to service excellence goes well beyond the point of sale.
Located at 15783 Yonge Street in Aurora, Ontario, Highland GM has been serving our local community and surrounding areas for over 50 years. Our highly experienced team is dedicated to meeting all of your automotive needs and making your experience a positive and memorable one, both during and long after the purchase of your vehicle. With the purchase of your new Chevrolet, Buick, or GMC vehicle, you receive 2 complimentary oil changes, making it the perfect time to schedule your vehicle for a certified service inspection. Additionally, when you purchase a new Cadillac, you enjoy 4 years of covered maintenance up to 80,000 kilometers, which includes oil changes and tire rotations. Once again, we're thrilled to have you as a part of the Highland GM family, and we hope to see you soon.